What is the best way to redeem Amex points? When earning rewards with a credit card, there are no right or wrong ways to cash them in. The points you earn are yours to spend how you wish, so you shouldn't feel bad if you ultimately select a non-travel redemption option. With that being said, you will get approximately 2 cents per point in value when you transfer points to airline partners specifically, which is more than you'll get with other options. This process starts with comparing airline partners and figuring out which ones can get you to your destination. From there, you can check for award space on the flights you want while also figuring out how many miles you need for the redemption you want. Generally, you'll get the absolute highest value from your points when you transfer points to airlines for international and domestic flights in premium cabins. In the meantime, and especially if you plan to fly economy, check flight prices and points on amextravel.com. While unlikely, it's possible that a flight you want will be available through amextravel.com for a similar number of miles as you can book with a transfer partner. This typically takes place when a flight is on sale, and it may be more convenient to book through amextravel.com in that case. With that being said, also keep in mind that American Express occasionally runs transfer bonuses to airline and hotel partners, usually in the form of an extra percentage of miles when you transfer Amex points. If you frequently book flights with a specific airline, like British Airways or Avianca LifeMiles, for example, keep an eye out for these bonuses and use them when you can.